We are at AMB Stuttgart. Vargus has a lot of innovation and technologies that has come up for the machining world. We see a lot of opportunities and potential in the manufacturing industry, especially in India. Today with me, we have our global CEO, Mr. Avi Cohen. We'll be talking about the opportunities and possibilities and the latest innovation that we have for the machining world. What are our plans for India as a fastest growing market? And we see next 10 years are really important for us.
For sure, India for us is a very important market for many years now. Vargus is growing together with India. We are fascinated with the technology, with the opportunities that we have in India. And we also offer to India, to the production of India, whatever we offer to the entire industry, which are innovative products that help the end users, the producers, to have more and more productivity and good solutions. We are adding now the drilling and milling line. It is designed especially for the dental and also the medical industry and many more products that you can see here that will help the industry to be much more productive.
Everybody is talking about the growth that India is securing, where the Western world, especially Europe and US, has such challenges. What do you think that what we can offer as a Vargus to Indian customers?
We are very committed to the Indian market for many years now. We have our own subsidiary there, and we have a lot of sales engineers that support the customers with our solutions. Our plans is to grow more. Our plans is to help our customers, our clients, with the best technical know-how in threading and grooving, and now milling and drilling. Our commitment to India is full, as it will always be, and we are ready to grow our business more and more in India.
We see that India and Israel has a really long history. We got independence, I think 47 India got independent, and then Israel in 48. How do you see India and Israel partnership and next coming decades?
I cannot tell about decades, but for sure the present is very bright. It's very nice. We feel the support of India as a country to Israel. We have a lot of common challenges, and we are ready to tackle these challenges together.
Everybody is shifting their production sites to Asia, especially India and neighboring countries. Whether we have any plans to start any manufacturing activities in India?
This is not a secret that we are looking for opportunities all around the world to increase our presence, also in manufacturing. We will probably start with some locations that will deal with special solutions, not with the mass production. Once we have this, we will grow our presence in.
Thank you so much, Avi, for giving us insight on all the aspects, and look forward to have a great show. Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you.